Hey there. Usually for Halloween, we wouldn't usually do much before, but I wanted to just start stepping up my game a little bit. I first started off with these light bulbs. Pretty much you have them in normal mode here, and then I can switch over into any color. So come this Halloween, I switched them over to the orange mode to give them this appearance. However, this still lacked any kind of awe or any appeal. It just basically looked like I put a bunch of warm lights on the outside of the house. So to solve this issue, in correlation with me thinking I needed to have a little bit better setup, company Onforu sent me and asked me if I wanted to review their product. So I said yeah. So they sent me four, see what they call them on here on the label. That's four 25-watt smart color floodlights. I'm gonna open these up, see what they look like. Give them a good test, see what's good about them, see what's bad about them. That's good stuff. So let's open up the box. We have the instructions. Okay, there's one of them. It's hard to stand up the way they got the cord on the bottom there. It wants to rock on the table. It wouldn't be so much of a problem. You gotta hang it up or send in some rocks or something. Okay, and you can see their little Bluetooth antenna there. And then the back is made out of it's like some kind of aluminum, pretty much. It's probably used as also as a heat sink on the back. Brace there is made out of steel, and then the front here is made out of some sort of plastic. All right, let's hook them up. Okay, and now to basically get it paired up, I'm gonna have to go ahead and put on my glasses for this because I can't read the instructions at the same time. Sorry about the glare in it, but these people are just gonna have to live with it. So basically what they want you to do is they want you to go and download the Onforu Home app. Right now I'm gonna tell you, don't do that. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to the Play Store and open that up and look for Tuya Smart Life app. There she is at the top. And you're gonna wanna go ahead and download that app. I'm not gonna update right at this point, that's what I got going there. But you download that. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up the Smart Life app. Once you have the Smart Life app open, just ignore it. I got a lot of devices already on here, guys. I got a lot of stuff to talk about as far as home automation goes. It's pretty cool stuff. It's not anywhere near as expensive as you would think it would be either. It's pretty affordable now with Wi-Fi and everything. But once you have the app downloaded, you basically go to top here where you have a plus sign. You hit the plus, add devices, and you can see it's already searching for devices. If not, hit the plus sign, get it to look for the device. And then you take the Onforu light and you're gonna wanna plug it in real fast 3 times. 2, 3, and like that. When it's blinking like that, basically, you know you have the device into pairing mode. And then here you can see, yep, it came up and discover device. We're gonna go ahead and add that. It sees that it's the Bluetooth mesh floodlights. All right, now that we have that added in, you can go ahead and change the name here. We're gonna go ahead and just call this one floodlight. All right, done. Okay, cool deal. Now we got the floodlight up. Now we can go ahead and see, we can change the frequency of the floodlight. So we're over into more of the cooler blues. You got the mid-range, and then of course you got more of the warmer colors that way. And then of course you can also adjust the brightness, which is very, very cool. I like that. And then, okay. And let's have some real fun. We'll go over here into the color mode. And now, yeah, you can see it's displaying the red, and same thing, you can adjust the dimness. And then you can change colors. Nice. And then now that it's on my Tuya Smart Life app, I know I can port it over into things like Home Assistant. You can get it to work with Alexa or any of the other talking little evil balls. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely use Home Assistant for my setup because the whole house I have governed by that. But yeah, Smart Life is a good place to start as far as smart apps go. Caution is it's a bit addicting actually. I just started out with one little plugin and now I'm kind of building my system out from there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, down here at the bottom, Smart Life, we also have all the music modes. So we got, oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't want to get any copyright infringement, so I'm just making my own music. I can see my wife rolling her eyes right now. But yeah, it's got a few of these different modes like that. Romantic, it just kind of does the same thing, I guess, using a different set of colors. It's a lot more red in the romantic, but yeah, cool, nice. Okay, before I show you guys how those smart lights look, I got one more thing to show you. Onforu sent me 2 blacklight. These are blacklight bars. These things are really cool. They are, let's see what they got them labeled here as. It is a 2-pack of 48 watt LED floodlight bars. Open the box here. 2 bars. All right. Got all the mounting hardware and the legs that go on them. Cool. Yeah, it also comes with an Allen wrench, just in case you don't have one of those. I'll throw that over there. Nice. These are pretty heavy duty. That's actually got like that's glass on the front of these ones here, so it's really nice. I like glass. I don't know. I always prefer it a little bit over the plastic. Nice. Let's plug it in real quick and see if I can try to not blind myself. Okay, the easiest way to go about that with the software here, it's called Trick Lights, I found, is just go ahead and open up the camera, and there's a QR code that you'll scan in it, and go ahead and click on that and open it up. All right, and I'm gonna go hit the Google Play there, and there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just install that. And once you have that downloaded, just go ahead and open up the app, and I guess theoretically I should be able to, yeah, there she goes. Yeah, it's dimming it. Nice. So now that I got the app working for it, basically both the lights will work off the same app. Unfortunately, it's not on the Smart Life app. That would have been cool, but there's no problem. This has, just like in the other one, it has the schedule feature on it, so I'll be able to schedule it to come on at a certain time and then go off. Now, got to get the feet onto these guys. It's pretty easy. We got like here and that, and they gave Allen bolts. So I'm gonna smack all these parts together real quick. That one's done. Now I just gotta unhook this one real quick and put the legs on it. All right, there's just one more thing I gotta do with black Halloween lights, because these are not gonna be mounted onto the house. They're gonna be actually on the ground, projecting up onto the house. So Onforu recommends that you have some kind of base, which will work out perfect because I'll be able to put rocks on them. I went ahead and cut out a couple boards, so I'm gonna go ahead and mount these to that. Should make them a little bit more of a secure base, so hopefully nobody gets an idea of a free black light or anything that runs off with them. The mounts have been built, so now the fun part. We're gonna test the lights. Okay, and I got one of the floodlights installed way up there, so it'll basically light up the entryway. Then here on the front of my garage, I have the other one. And one of the black lights facing towards the house. Okay, let's see if I can get through here without tripping through these cobwebs. Then the other one is facing towards the house. So I got one basically pointed towards the whole backyard. And then I have this one pointed towards the garden. And here's what the lights look like at night. It lights it up pretty nice. Much like the sunrise in the backyard. It's quite nice. Now I can do night gardening, which is a thing here in Phoenix, Arizona, because we get quite hot here in the summer, so it is nice to be able to have the whole yard lit up like this. So this is what the lights look like in the cool mode. So you can switch them over to basically any of the frequencies between warm or cool. Okay, turning on the front lights. And now turning on the floodlights. Let's go ahead and switch these over to red now, give it more of a Halloween effect. Now I'm going to turn all the floodlights up all the way. And now I'm going to go to the driveway and I'm going to turn that one down a bit. It's a little too bright for the effect I'm looking for. Now let's go ahead and make the 3 front lights all red. Red's a little bit orange, so I want to make it a little bit more red to get the effect I'm going for here. Nice. Alright, now pretty much the last thing to do is turn on the black lights. So I'm going to turn those on real quick. Nice. I've been using the Onforu lights for about a half a week now to light up my backyard and my holiday display. I've already got compliments from the neighbors, which I'm glad they liked it. I was worried that the light may end up bothering them, but no, they got a lot of compliments from everybody that came by. Really, the only complaint I have is with the black lights. The schedule we're on, it's a little bit weird. As you can see, when I was trying to select the schedule, I couldn't quite get it locked down onto it at first. But then I ended up figuring out if I scrolled all the way down, I could select it. So I was able to get them scheduled out. I really wish Onforu would have put the Smart Life app on these lights. However, it's not that big of a deal because I'll only be using these lights for holidays. And I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I'd also like to thank Onforu for sending out these lights for me to review. My house has never been so lit. I mean, you could freaking probably see my house from space. All right, maybe not space, but definitely you could probably pick my house out in an airplane. It definitely has a brightness to it. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Check you later. And if you go to Onforu's website and use the code ON10, you can get 10% off up to the 31st of this month.